Hello everybody. Today we are going to talk about perception. Let me describe to you a little bit about how we perceive things. Imagine you're walking through a crowded market. You see vibrant colors. You smell exotic spices. You hear a medley of sounds and feel people jostling you. Your brain is bombarded with sensory information, but it doesn't just passively record it. Instead, it actively selects, organizes, and interprets this information to create a meaningful experience of the market. This process is called perception. In essence, perception is how we make sense of the world around us. It is the process which we take in sensory data from our environment and use it to understand and interact with our surroundings. The factors influencing perception are internal and external. Let's discuss the internal factors. The first one is the motivation and needs. Our desires and needs can strongly influence how we perceive things. For example, a hungry person might be more likely to notice food-related cues in their environment. Emotions. Our emotional state can color our perceptions. When we are happy, the world seems brighter and more positive. When we are sad or anxious, we might focus on negative or threatening stimuli. Next is past experiences. Our prior experiences shape our expectations and interpretations of the world. For example, if you had a negative experience with a particular type of dog, then you might be more careful about all the dogs. And personality. Our personality traits also can affect our perceptions. That is, optimistic people see the good in situations, while pessimistic people might focus more on the negative. Now, the external factors could be intensity. Our desires and needs can strongly influence how we perceive things. For example, louder or brighter or larger things are more likely to be noticed. In the same way, moving objects are more likely to be noticed than stationary ones. Repeated stimuli are more likely to be remembered and perceived. The context also in which we perceive something can influence our interpretation. For example, a flickering light might be perceived as a fire hazard in a dark room, but the same candle in a brightly lit room can be a sort of festive decoration at a party. Thus, if we can understand the factors that influence perception, then we can understand personal relationships to professional interactions. It can help us to be more aware of our biases and to interpret the behavior of others more accurately. Thank you. Please do subscribe for more like this.